morning, students. Good morning. Today I will ask you some very short questions. Are you ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now the first question is, what kind of cells are used in video games? What kind of cells are used in video games? Yes, Ananya. Answer is button cells. Okay, very good. Now the second question is, what is the other name for an electric torch? What is the other name for an electric torch? Yes, Himansh, are you confused? Other name. Stand up, Himansh. Other name of electric torch. Yes, Anand. Flashlight. Right answer is flashlight. Okay, Himansh. Well, sit down. Now the third question is, name a substance that is a good conductor of electricity but is not a metal. So very important. आपको ये बताना है, नेम ए सब्सटेंस दैट इज ए गुड कंडक्टर. वो गुड कंडक्टर तो है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, बट वो मेटल नहीं है. हिमांश, यू डोंट नो? यस. अभी व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर इज जी. हाँ जी लवी. Moisture. Absolutely right. Right answer is moisture. Okay. Don't forget it. Everyone learn it. Okay, Kavita? Sit down, Lavi. Now the fourth question is, it is the fourth, na? Okay. Now the fourth question is, what were the pieces of magnetite called by the Greeks? What were the pieces of magnetite called by the Greeks? Gauri. Yes, beta? Magnets. So very simple. Yes, ma'am. There's no confusion in this question. Okay. Now the fifth question is, name the instrument used for finding direction. Name the instrument used for finding direction. Yes, beta. You stand up. Yes. Stand up. Up you. Yes. Magnetic compass. Yes. Magnetic compass. Right answer is magnetic compass. Okay. Very good. Sit down. Now next question is, which is the surest test of magnetism? Attraction and repulsion. Attraction and repulsion. यशिका, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. आप जो है श्योर टेस्ट मैग्नेटिज्म के लिए, आपको अगर श्योर करना है टेस्ट, तो आप कौन सा टेस्ट करोगे? अट्रैक्शन का या रिपल्शन का? रिपल्शन. ओके, सिट डाउन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड फॉर फाइंडिंग डायरेक्शंस. नेम द इंस्ट्रूमेंट used for finding direction. Yes, Dev. G. Metallic. No. Gaurav. Magnetic compass. Before sometimes I have already to tell. Yes. Huh? This question I will repeat, na? Yes, ma'am. Why you don't tell me? Speak 10 times. Magnetic compass. Speak aloud. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Okay, you have learned it. There's no problem? Okay. Don't forget it. Okay? So last chance. I will give you last chance. Enough it up? Okay. Now the next question. Name the train without wheels developed in Japan. Name the train without wheels developed in Japan. Kanishka, please tell me the spelling of MEG. हाँ जी. No, this is a wrong spelling. Money, stand up. MAGLEB. Very good. Clapping for Money. Very good. MAGLEB. Okay, very good, Money. Now the next question is, which gas in atmosphere is essential for respiration? Which gas in the atmosphere is essential for respiration? Okay, Mamit. Oxygen. So very good. Oxygen gas is essential for respiration. Okay. Now the next question is, name any component of air which does not support burning. Name any one component of air which does not support burning. आपको वो कंपोनेंट बताना है एयर का जो बर्निंग में आपको सपोर्ट, मतलब जलने में सपोर्ट नहीं करता. यू लास्ट, यशिका के पीछे लास्ट. जी बेटा, नाइट्रोजन. और सपोर्ट कौन सी गैस करती है बर्निंग में? ऑक्सीजन. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन बर्निंग? एनी रोल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रोल क्या है? यस बेटा, बुझाने में. वेरी गुड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रोल क्या है? आग को बुझाने में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रोल करती है. इस तरह से ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट होते हैं. क्लैपिंग फॉर हिमांश. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, apart from nitrogen and oxygen, name two other gases present in the air. Apart from nitrogen and oxygen, ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन के अलावा वो आपको गैसेस बतानी है जो एयर में प्रेजेंट रहती है. यस, अब है हीलियम एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और अदर गैसेस जी, नियॉन और आर्गन. वेरी गुड. व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन एयर? व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन एयर? गोविंद, सिट डाउन. What is the percentage of oxygen? You don't know what is the composition of air? Oxygen. Yeah. Composition. What is the percentage of gases in air? Govind, this is not right. Why you forget it? I have already to tell. What is the... Yeah. No. I am asking a percentage. I'm asking a percentage of gases in air. Yes, you.
Oxygen 21% and nitrogen 78%.
Very good. And
1% other gases like carbon dioxide, neon, argon, etc.
Clapping. Very good. Govind, it's okay? What is the percentage of oxygen?
Nitrogen is 78%.
Yeah. Yes. And oxygen?
Then oxygen is 21%.
Yes.
1% is other gases like argon,
Helium, argon, neon, है ना, carbon dioxide. This is all gases. So okay. Very good. Clapping for all students. Very good.